Coronavirus. Introduction.
As we have heard that at the end of December 2019, the Chinese Public Health Authorities reported several cases of acute respiratory syndrome in the city of Wuhan, which have not been previously identified in the humans. This initial outbreak in the city of Wuhan spread rapidly, affecting other parts of the China, and soon the cases were also seen in the other parts of the countries. Even though today there is technology advancement and we are really proud of it, but still this technology advancement couldn't save us from the pandemic named coronavirus or COVID-19. Despite the mankind advancement, now only the primitive measure is self-isolation and social distancing. This virus virtually locked down the world. So please stay home.
When, where, and how did it started?
When did the coronavirus start? On December 31st, 2019, the World Health Organization China's office had many of the cases behind the unknown virus in Wuhan, a city in eastern China with a population over 100 million. How did it start? The disease appears to have been originated from a Wuhan seafood market where many of the animals were included like snakes, sheep, birds, dogs, rabbits, etc. are treated illegally. Coronavirus are known to be jumped from animals to human beings, so it's thought that the first people infected with the disease.
Symptoms.
The common symptoms of coronavirus are running nose, fever, coughing, and difficulties in breathing. And the severe infection may also cause pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome, and even death also. And the period in which the symptoms will appear is between 2 to 14 days. And some people also experience some of the different symptoms that are pains and aches, and then nasal congestion and diarrhea also. Thank you.
Conditions in India.
Despite being the world's second most populous country with more than 1.3 billion people, the nation has reported that in India, the COVID-19 infection rate is low relative to its population size. Due to amid rise in novel coronavirus cases in India, the Indian government had decided to stop the spread of this pandemic disease. So for this, 75 cities including Delhi, Mumbai, Bengal, Kolkata, etc. are went into complete lockdown till 14th April. But as government doesn't want to take any risk, so this lockdown is now taken till 3rd May.
Our hands oftenly with the soap for about 20 seconds. Avoid crowded places. Maintain a distance of about 1 meter from the person who is coughing or sneezing. Do not touch your mouth or nose. Use your elbow or a tissue to cover your mouth while sneezing or coughing. If you feel unwell, please stay at home and seek medical attention.
Impact of coronavirus.
Hello everyone, now I'm going to tell you about the impact of coronavirus. First of all, you must know that after this in India, 507 people's deaths have been confirmed due to COVID-19 or coronavirus. So coronavirus has led to increase in death rate. After this, coronavirus has a really dramatic and devastating effect upon the economy of all the world. You must have seen that the price of mouth masks, sanitizers and medicines have been increasing.
Like the price of paracetamol has been increased 40%. After this, but on the other hand side, the price of meat, airfare, petrol and diesel has been decreasing. Coronavirus has led to a complete change in a person's daily life. Now people are spending their time in their home because Indian government has announced a lockdown till 14th April. Coronavirus has also a really bad impact upon film industries. After this, sports events has been cancelled out. For example, in this year 2020, Tokyo Olympics were being organized, but due to coronavirus, these Olympics has also been cancelled out. Coronavirus has also really bad effect upon the education as schools and universities have been closed down.
Will coronavirus come to an end?
So what does people think about the end of the COVID-19? No one knows that when this pandemic disease, the COVID-19 will come to its end. But according to the opinion of some people, they believe that after some months, it can be stopped from further spreading. Our Government of India ensures the safety of the citizens. So they are giving instructions and precautions to the citizens of India to be aware and stay at home so that the COVID-19 should not be spreaded more. So the doctors of India are trying their best to overcome this difficult situation, but they don't even know that when this all will stop. According to the opinion of some people, they believe that if the vaccine could be discovered for this dreadful disease, then this could be stopped from spreading further all around the world.
Conclusion.
So we salute the doctors and nurses who are saving the life of the COVID-19 patients by risking their own. We value their every single effort to save every life. We are proud of the policemen who are serving for our welfare. All we have to do is to stay home. Together, we all can save our world from coronavirus.
By Captain School of Excellence, stay home, stay safe.